there! I'm so glad to see you today. This is going to be so much fun.
In this video, you'll learn how to make your images sing and lip sync with ease.
And it is completely free and easy to do. And you can do this with your phone or laptop. Only tonight. Now let's jump right into the video. Let's go.
I know you loved that music video, right? And the good thing, I created both the images, the video, and everything, and synced it for free.
Yes, I use completely free AI too
to generate everything that you just watched. And right now, I'll show you how to do everything.
Are you ready?
Let's jump right into it.
To get your music, you need ChatGPT. And if you're a musician, if you're a singer, or if you already have your own song, this is not for you, right? But for me, so right here, I'll tell ChatGPT what I want. It will give me a very good song. Okay, so this is what it says I should send to Suno AI right here. So I'll just copy it and head over to. So I'll just copy the prompt from ChatGPT to Suno AI. If you don't have it, simply download it. This is Suno right here. This is Suno, alright? So just go to Suno, tap on this music icon. Song description, I'll paste my song right here. Instrumental, blah blah blah. It should be a male voice, right? Should be a male voice. And what again should I choose right now? It should be intense, it should be classical, and so that is it. Okay, so here in Suno AI, you click on custom right here. As you can see, this is custom, right? Once you click on custom, you paste your prompt. It says what type of style of music. This is hip-hop. This is hip-hop music, and it should be a male vocals, right? So this is it right here. I'll just click on create song. I don't really want a song title right here. I just want it to get me a song that is just a hip-hop song. It's fine.
Create a high energy hip-hop song with a confident male fuck for delivering. Still. Yeah. Well, modern hip-hop, Afro hip-hop fusion, strong stage performance vibe, confident and aggressive but clean, deep, smooth.
I really do not understand this song, so I'll go back to ChatGPT. Okay, so I just need only the song, right? I need only the prompt of the song only. I think ChatGPT gave us something too complicated. You know, it was trying to get everything in one thing. It was prompting it and telling it everything. So the lyrics actually wasn't lyrics in. So remember to put it on custom and paste your lyrics right here. Okay, it should be a male vocals, right? Okay, let me add guitar as well. Rap, let me add rap, not gospel, drum and bass. Let me just add everything and hit on create. It's creating. So this is how you keep doing it. If you already have a song, you don't need this step right now, all right? You don't need this step, but if not, if you do not have one, you need it. So let's see. I love this. I love this.
I came from nothing, now the spotlight know my name. Pressure made diamonds, every loss fed the flame. Mic in my hand, when I move the whole place shake. From cold nights dreaming to sold out stages away. I didn't get lucky, everywhere.
Okay, so now I have downloaded it, right? The next step is to sync the video with the audio.
This is where this video is getting more interesting. Now, let's go over to the next step.
Next thing is to go to Facebook right here. You can go to any musician of your choice, but I just decided to use Flavor right here, alright? I just really love this. You know, he looks more of a musician right here in this image. So you can simply just save the picture, right? Then head over to Google Gemini, a big Gemini, which one? Right, so this is Gemini right here. You tap on it, and here you tap on create image. All right, so I will click on this plus sign and import this flavor image right here, and tell it to make it a childlike stuff, right? Or let me just use ChatGPT. Okay, so right here I told ChatGPT to give me this prompt, so I will just copy this. I'll just put it in, I will just tell it to put it in a box so I can be able to copy, right? So I will just copy the prompt, right, and then head over to Gemini and paste it and send. So you can use your own image, you can use any one of your choice, right? So this is right here, but I do not want this. This is what it generated, but I do not want this. I want a child, so I will tweak it and come back with this image, right? This is fine, but yet I do not want the full image. I just want a shorter, right? Just let me say the face, right? I do not want a full body. Okay, so this is me still tweaking the image to give me the perfect stuff that I wanted. You can do this with your own image. Oh yes, if you have a picture, you can import it here and get something very good and realistic. Keep tweaking it. Use ChatGPT, use Cloud. I have a lot of videos that talks about Cloud, right? How to prompt with Cloud. So check it out and make the most of it. So this is beautiful, right? Let's use this particular image. At least it is bright. The next thing is to make our images to sync. So we'll simply head over to our browser right here. Video AI right here. We'll simply click on here and we'll have to log in with our Gmail. Okay, so once you come here, you'll see this video right here. You'll see image and you see avatar. Of course, we'll use avatar. Once you click on avatar right here, you'll see this character and audio. Simply tap on character right here. Then they will ask you to choose, as you can see, from history or upload from device. Of course, we'll choose from upload from device and then we'll add our image. So right now, I later generated another image, which I'll now choose because it looks more of flavor than the other one that we generated. Then I'll click on audio right here, upload from device, and I'll import the audio that we have. And the thing is, this does not take more than 15 seconds audio. So I'll have to listen to it and know how to structure it to sound better, right? Next thing you'll do is to click on generate. Okay, so this is the image that I generated and this is the video right here. I'll play this video at the end of this video, right? So the next thing we have to do right now is to add auto caption. Let's go. Let me show you how to add auto captions and make everything come together. Simply open up your CapCut and then click on new video. Import the video that we just generated. Of course, do not forget to click on this aspect ratio right here and size it to whatever platform that you want to post it, right? This is in YouTube size already. And for the background, I'll just click on background and blur everything this way and it is okay. I'll increase the volume a little bit and then go over to text and then tap on the video and then I'll go to text and auto caption. If you are in the free CapCut, it will give you, I think, 4 times. It will give you 4 options or 4 free trials. You can do auto caption for 4. You can do auto captions 4 times in a week, or I think in a year. I think in a month. All right. So there are so many free templates you can try, but I want yellow. Yellow is fine. I will tap on yellow and then I'll tap on this particular one. So anyone you want, you just tap on it and click on generate right here. Okay, so auto captions has been added right here and I want to bring it up. Should I keep it this way? No, it will take people's attention off the person that is talking. So let me just keep it here. So this is all right. So this is amazing. All right. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is fine. This is absolutely fine. So now I'll export the video and play the video so you see how everything is and what we generated. So you tap on export and here you go. So right now, watch the video right now to see what we generate and let me know how it is and what do you think about the app.
I came from nothing, now the spotlight know my name. Pressure made diamonds, every loss fed the flame. Mic in my hand, when I move the whole place shake. From cold nights dreaming to sold out stages away. I didn't get lucky, every win was on the...
So now you know how to create a good AI music from scratch, and I know you are already excited. I can't wait to see what you create. So go ahead and create yours and let me know in the comment section what type of video you are gonna create. I am Success and I wish you success. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.